Hello everybody. Today I am going to be dyeing my hair from this brown and blonde color to jet black. Right now my hair is in an old perm rod set that I have slept on without wrapping my hair up and rolled around in for a few days in a row. So it's kind of dry and a little matted and all over the place. I'm going to be using this Clairol brand in the color 2. I didn't choose it for any particular reason. I was actually looking to try the Shea Moisture brand, but Target didn't have it, but that's fine with me. As long as the dye is ammonia free and not like super cheap, I'm good. So I prepped my hair by just parting it into 4 sections to make my life a little easier. And I've already detangled this section to get ready to color it. And I've already mixed the color in with the developer. So my method of making sure the dye gets all over every strand is to just grab thin sections, because I have thick hair, and pour the dye all down the section and rub it in from root to end. And then I do the same on the other side of the section. As you can see, I've already done the back of my head. I started with the back because my hair is a lot more coarse back there and it takes longer for the color to process in the back. So now I'm just going to show you how I did the front. Now, just to help the color process, I'm going to put a little heat on it just by covering it with a plastic bag and putting my warm fuzzy hat on. It's already been 20 minutes, which is the recommended time on the box, but I'm gonna leave it on for another 10 with the plastic bag on it. So now that my hair is all rinsed out and this is how the color is looking, I really like it. It's a nice cool shade of black, which I prefer over a warmer undertone. And I'm just going to deep condition my hair now that it has dye in it, which can be very drying. I'm deep conditioning with Mielle Organics Mint Babassu deep conditioner and some extra virgin olive oil. And I'll leave this on for about 2 hours, then I'll rinse it out and style my hair. And this is the final product. I decided to put some more perm rods in my hair and I just laid my edges down and I filled in my brows extra dark today so that it would match my hair. And I'm so in love with how this looks on me. A lot of people said I was too pale for jet black hair, but I think it really suits me. So if there are any people who are high yellow and really want to try jet black but they're afraid it might not go with their skin tone, like it'll be too much contrast, just try it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much and thank you for watching. Bye.